Fans and supporters and people across the country shocked by the death of Shefali Jariwala at barely about 42 years of age. Police officials have now put out an update that they have found 2 boxes containing tablets and vials of anti-aging medication. And there were skin glow medications as well at the residence. Now, this is, remember, as part of an ongoing investigation about what led to the demise. There's no conclusion as of yet. Post-mortem details are awaited. All angles are being looked at as well, especially whether it was her lifestyle, fasting, because this has been, remember, an untimely, immature death of the actress. And therefore, what led to it is being ascertained, and therefore it's a police case. They are looking at if there were certain medications and whether it was approved, what kind of tablets were being had, and skin glow medications as well. Now, to many, it could be perhaps a routine when you are in the celebrity business. However, was it in many ways, was it in any way involved in the fact that it led to the death? That is what the police are going to look at right now. And remember, about 42 years of age, most of us know and remember Shefali Jariwala with the Kaata Laga song. And then a shocking news came that she passed away from a cardiac arrest. Sneha Mordani joins me for the latest on this. Sneha, you tell me, why are the police looking at possibly the medications and the tablets, and how are they trying to ascertain if it has any role to play in the death?
Medical history of a case is always looked at, especially in this case as well. Now, actor Shefali was in fact taking these medications. These are wellness medications, but what we know is that she was taking them under supervision. So anti-aging medicines like would have glutathione or collagen supplements, and the other supplements that she would be taking was under supervision, but the toxicology report of the same is awaited. The post-mortem report is awaited. Looking at the fact that she was taking these medications on a daily basis, and on that particular day, on that fateful day, she was fasting, what kind of impact would these medications then have on her body, where the stomach lining essentially has no food? And also, did it send to the body, a well-meaning medicine, did it send the body into a sudden shock or lead to develop cardiac symptoms is something that cannot be ruled out until the time the toxicology study is done, and until the time we know conclusively what has been found in the post-mortem report. We know that the autopsy report is out, and the opinion on the same has been reserved for this exact very reason. Experts have been talking about it. Essentially, if there is a medication that needs to be taken not on an empty stomach, then it should not be taken on an empty stomach. It could have led to a sudden drop in the blood pressure levels as well. Remember, the stomach did not have food, and whether the medication, well-meaning medication, perhaps just for anti-aging, some supplements, collagen supplements, did they act adversely? Did they lead to the body, going into a sudden shock, or the patient developing cardiac symptoms is something that they're looking at because of the fact that she was into many of these medications. I'd like to reiterate that it is being said that this was under clear medical supervision. But to say conclusively right now that that is what led to the sudden cardiac arrest and eventually death is something that we'll want to hear doctors talk about.
And we'll wait for that update coming in from the officials as well.
Yes.
Stay on with me, Sneha. Divyesh Singh joins me from Mumbai as well. Divyesh, how and why has this become a police case? How are the police trying to look further that a cardiac arrest on one side, but could it have been a result of something?
Well, Pooja, I would like to clarify that this is not a police case right now.
Okay.
Police are only probing the cause of death because there's been no complaint.
Okay.
Till now, it is just an death register that has been registered. There is no foul play. There is no conspiracy of any kind. There is no suspicion. Whatever the reasons be behind her death, because she is a young woman and who has died under circumstances which are not normal. That is why police are not leaving any stone unturned. They are trying to find out through medical experts, through the post-mortem, through the autopsy, that what really happened. How did this young woman die of sudden cardiac arrest? Why did this happen? She was fasting on that day. That is true. That is in the knowledge of police officials. She was taking anti-aging drugs. That is known to the police. And she was also taking some kind of skin glow medication. She's taken a vial of the anti-aging drug. That day when she was fasting, she did not had any kind of food. there was a puja at her residence, and
Okay.
that's why she was fasting. That is in the knowledge that is in the knowledge of the police officials. So now they are trying to ascertain a clear indication of what really happened, what went wrong. That she suffered a cardiac arrest. Was it because of the vial that she had taken, or was it because of a sudden drop? Because she had not eaten anything, she had not had any kind of food.
Okay.
So,
So there are
did
different
she,
angles that are being looked
yeah,
at. And
did
yes.
drop to that level that she
Huh.
entered into a cardiac arrest, she suffered a cardiac arrest. So that needs to be known, that needs to be clarified by experts, medical experts, toxicology experts, and the doctors who will be performing, who performed the autopsy.
Fair enough. So we are definitely, and I want to make it very clear here because it's such a sensitive case of death and of a celebrity that we're not going to make any conjecture, but we are going by what the cops are constantly updating and mentioning. And right now they're looking at certain medications, including anti-aging glow medications, and even though undertaken with supervision, was there any sort of a concern there? However, we'll of course wait for the official medical details. But there's been a concern of heart attacks, cardiac arrest among the, so to say, younger population, below 45 as well. And that is what perhaps is becoming a question mark of why is it happening in the country in the past few years. Thank you very much. Divyesh and Sneha will be tracking more on that.